Hi everyone, it's me Paula and I'm here just to share with you guys. I made an altered gumball machine and I made this for my mom and she's here with me now and she really loves it. I just finished it and I made this out of clay. This is like the little handle and these are sock crafters flowers here and here, all these flowers, and this is from her store. This also, and she sent me also this trim, which I don't know where it's at now, but it looks like that. Very, very pretty. So I use that, and this is from those planters, but I have the little ones. Let me see if I can take it out. It looked like this, but the bigger one. And it was like a dark pink. I didn't really like that color, so I just gessoed it and added light pink to the whole thing. I covered it with some lace. And so all around it has lace, some flat backs. Here's some more flowers. And this was like a black metal type, so I just went around it with some gesso and pink, and I made it to look like that. And I already glued it down, so in the inside I added some trims, some little pearls. I added some of this paper thing here, like paper shreds. And I added this trim, came from Natalie, and you guys have to check out her store. She sells these and other beautiful laces and flat back trims and all of that at really good prices. You guys should check it out. So this is what it looks like. I even added some doves in there, some flowers, and a bunch of stuff. And then this is the top. And I used these things that I had told you that I had before, and my hands are real dirty. So I used it as a little tray, and inside of those little trays I added a bauble, some roses, some more paper shreds, two little doves, and just flowers everywhere. So here's some more flowers. And she really loved it, and I'm happy she did, because I made this thinking of her, because when she was little she had one, and when she's big now she has one of her own. So this is what I made her. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Have a very blessed day.